Hi everyone, today's video was gonna be about me preparing my raised garden bed, my other little garden, my planting pots for my fall/winter gardening. However, as you can see, it rains here today. So I have another little project that I'm planning on starting here in the next couple of days, and I decided I should probably film this process. So I wanted to show you what I'm planning on doing. We were told that our house is gonna be painted not too long from now, the exterior of the house. So I decided that this is a great opportunity to kind of do a patio backyard makeover, and I'm gonna record the process. So I'm making this video, I guess, just to show you and to document for myself what is it that I'm going to do. And then I can do the before and afters. So starting over here from this area, this table and chairs, I like the color of the chairs because it matches the color of the rest of the patio furniture. So I'm gonna keep that color, that dark brown color, and I'll show you a technique to on how to make it look new, basically, without painting it. And then we have the table. I was thinking of painting the table the same dark color as the chairs, and then moving along to this little table over here. Oh, and that little piece of whatever it is, I'm just gonna maybe leave it as is. Or no, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna paint this one a lighter color. I'm gonna paint this. I have this spray paint, and I think that color, it's gonna make that piece pop on that dark table, and I'm gonna put a nice light color, cream color candle inside. All right, so moving along, that little table, I am going to paint it light color because I want it to stand out a little bit. And this is the color, not that I choose, but I already have. I'm not quite sure why I bought it, but I have it. So this is the color this table is going to be. And then that little piece on the top that my mother-in-law gave me, I can't remember what color it was when it was in her house, but then she painted it this bronze color that doesn't really go well with anything here. So I'm gonna paint it a darker color, and then inside I'm gonna maybe plant some herbs, put a little container and maybe plant some herbs or something like that, or flowers. All right, so over here to this area, obviously I'm not gonna do anything to our patio furniture, but what I'm gonna change here is that pot with this plant that I have. I'm gonna plant it, I'm gonna paint it a lighter color, kind of sort of like the cushion. So I'm gonna use this same spray color that I have. And then moving along, that candle, that citronella candle, it's not really working because we had mosquitoes once. I lit it up. Anyway, but I will paint the citronella candle light color as well, so it pops on the table. That little vase that I have here with the dried flowers, I like the color, and it's kind of tucked in the corner so you can't really see it. I may actually repaint the actual flowers or sticks, whatever you want to call it, the stuff that it's inside. I may paint this a lighter color with the spray paint, maybe a couple of different colors. I like them, they just need a little refreshing. They're kind of dirty and dark. Moving along, so I have to figure out what to do with the patio heater. The color, it's fine. It's just that we don't use it at all, and it's just standing there. The base, it's nice, but when you look at the top, it's kind of ugly, like any patio heater. You can make patio heater look good. And now this table and chairs here, they're very, very, very special because they were made by Brad's great-grandfather. And what I'm planning on doing is painting the chairs a lighter color, some sort of a kind of a cream champagne color, and also the legs of the table are going to be a light color. And then I'm going to refinish. I'm going to strip the finish of this of the top, and then refinish it with a nice dark kind of walnut color finish. Okay, and then my pots that I usually plant tomatoes and peppers in these pots, I decided this year to go with flowers. So starting with the pot, so this is the hibiscus. So as you can see, the pot for the hibiscus and both the mint, the color matches absolutely nothing here. So I'm gonna paint them, and because it's so hot here, I'm gonna paint the pots this very nice light beige color. And I'm gonna do the same with the little pot where I have my mint, which is pretty much dead now because I was gone and somebody forgot to water my stuff. And now that big pot, that it's this kind of a grayish stonish color, I am going to paint as well some sort of a cream or champagne color. These two over here Oh, and that one over there, I think I'm gonna plant flowers that Zuli from Little Beans Garden gave me. Okay, so these two pots, they're gonna stay the same color. I'm not gonna change them. I think the color is okay. I'll see how they look like once I paint the rest of the pots. But as of right now, I'm planning to leaving them the same color because they're exactly the same color as the cushions and sofa and the chairs. And this one, although I really, really like the way it looks, it's kind of yellowish and it doesn't go with anything that we have. So this one is gonna be painted exactly the same color as the one that it's stone color right now. These are the pool chairs and the bar stools over there. So I'm just gonna shine them up a little bit. I'll show you how. And then I wanna do a couple of things to the barbecue area because I'm planning on grilling more. I'm kind of intimidated by the grill because it uses propane bottle and I freak out. But I intend on using it more, so I wanna make the area a little more welcoming, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna put either some flowers, some plants. I'll see, I'll figure something out to do there. So that was the complete 360 of the patio. This is what I'm planning on doing. Please let me know if you have any other ideas. I'm not really big on interior design. My sister has an eye for it. I don't at all. So if you think that I'm making a mistake with anything, please put it in the comments and I'll adjust. I look forward to read your ideas. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and hopefully next week I have a gardening video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, go through my videos. I post quite a few different things. All right, I hope you all have a good weekend. Bye.